Hello everyone, welcome back to another recipe video. Today I'm showing you how to make my favorite gluten-free and vegan peanut butter oatmeal cookies. So let's get straight into it. I start off by mixing my brown sugar, smooth peanut butter and soy milk together to create a creamy paste. So once that's all mixed together thoroughly, I then add my oats. And for this recipe, I prefer to add quick oats, which are oats which have already been cut up into little pieces. If you only have rolled oatmeal at home, feel free to add that to the blender to chop it up a little bit. I then add my vanilla essence and baking soda and mix it all together. Once it gets all sticky, you can start using your hands to mix it in and then roll it into little balls and place it on some baking paper ready to go into the oven. Now, I like my cookies to be fairly small and chewy. If you do prefer larger cookies, then definitely roll them into a larger ball. And I like to press them down with the fork as well, just to sort of create that shape. They will spread out and rise in the oven as well, so keep that in mind. Bake these cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. If you are like me and you prefer more chewy cookies, then bake them for 10 minutes. And if you prefer more crunchy, then leave them in for 12 to 13 minutes.